So if you're watching this video, then you probably fall into two categories. The first is you're in the market for a Hemi powered Dodge Charger or Challenger or pickup truck. You get what I'm saying. Or the second category is you already own one of the above and you just now are coming face to face with your first tune-up. Or you're a Chevy or Ford fanboy and you want to soak up some of the sweet Mopar tears. Regardless, I think anyone considering buying a Hemi powered car should take this video very seriously. That's because I've noticed many people are completely clueless to a little wallet breaking detail about these Hemi cars, and that's that they require 2 spark plugs per cylinder. Not a big deal, you might be saying. Well, considering the average V8 car only takes 8 spark plugs, that means your Hemi will be using 16. 1-6. But if that doesn't put things into perspective, let's take a trip to the local parts store so you guys can see for yourself. Alright, so we'll start off by looking up how much it would cost to buy 8 spark plugs for a 5.0 Coyote Mustang. Mind you, we'll be using iridium plugs, which are some of the best and more expensive that you can actually buy. Now, let's go over to, let's say a 2010 Dodge Charger RT with the 5.7 liter Hemi. If you notice, it suggests copper plugs, right? Which turns out to be about maybe 50 bucks, but I sure as hell wouldn't put copper plugs in my Hemi. If you decide to go with iridium, you'd be paying over $130 for just a set of freaking spark plugs. And that's just using the Bosch plugs, which are some of the cheapest iridiums you can get. If you decide to get a set of NGKs, they'll set you back a cool 175 cold ones. Okay, compared to 87 bucks for a regular V8. Not to mention, any Hemi from 2015 and up automatically requires iridiums, so there's really no way to get around this. Now, I didn't make this video to bash any Hemi or Mopar fans or anything like that. This video is just a PSA for anyone considering buying one of these. Okay, if you're doing your thorough research, guys, I hope this helps people. Okay, this car you're seeing right here is actually my old 2008 Charger SRT8. I love the hell out of this car, although it gave me so many problems, including a freaking blown engine. Point is, these cars are pretty expensive to maintain, so you might want to add that to your tool belt of things to consider before buying one of these cars. Anyways, take it easy.